What's up guys, in this video you are going to learn how to join the Amazon affiliate program. Now this is going to be the easiest, simplest video you've ever seen on joining the Amazon Associates affiliate program. Let me show you how to do it right now. I'll put a link right below this video that will take you right here to Amazon Associates. All you're going to do at this point is simply click join now for free, and then you're going to sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, I don't know what's wrong with you because everyone in the world has an Amazon account. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. But if you don't have an Amazon account, you can simply sign up for an Amazon account and use that to log in. Then after you've logged in, it'll probably ask you a couple questions about your address and all that kind of stuff, like personal info to sign up, but really it's that simple. Then after you get approved, this is how easy it is to use Amazon Associates. When you come over to Amazon and you are logged in with the Amazon account you used to register as an Amazon Associate, you're going to see here this nice little Amazon Associates stripe bar here at the top of the screen. It's going to be this gray bar. It's going to automatically pop up for you when you go to Amazon. And this is how it works. You can simply type whatever you want on here into Amazon, like literally whatever you want, and you can link to it as an Amazon Associate. So right here, I found this random basketball. Let's say I'm posting about this on my like wherever I'm posting about this on my blog, and I'm reviewing it and I'm trying to get people to buy it on Amazon or whatever. You're gonna come here, you're gonna come to the product page. Then up here at the top of the screen, you're gonna have some options. You can do a text, image, text and image. There's all sorts of different links you can get. But for me, I simply grab the text link, copy this, paste it as a link to your blog, Instagram, Facebook, like wherever you're promoting your affiliate links, paste it there and you're done. That's how easy it is. And then you can come right here into your Amazon Associates back office and see your stats. So if I scroll down here, I can see earnings for the last 30 days. You can see here, I'm not a big Amazon Associate promoter. I don't really promote a lot of products on Amazon, but I got a lot of clicks, but not a lot of purchases up to this point. So I can go up here to reports if I want and look more closely at like different time frames if I want to look at specific months or whatever. But I'm going to see if we can find some things that people have bought. Okay. Looking at this year, okay, we got some data right here. If I scroll down here, all these things right here are what people bought from Amazon that I got credit for. Now, I didn't link to a lot of these. I linked to this like tripod. I think that's like the only Amazon thing that I linked to in one of my really old videos. But like, look at all this other random stuff people are buying. They're buying like ring lights for cameras and bathroom wall storage and oh, my computer glasses. I linked to those too. But I've seen like cat food and like random stuff on here, but I get credit for it if they go to Amazon and buy it. So you can come right here and check and see like what your reports and your analytics are like. You can see your conversion. So you can see here, look, I got a ton of clicks, which is cool, but not a lot of ordered items at this point. There you go, guys. That's how you use Amazon Associates. It's really that simple to get signed up and started. You can throw these links wherever you want. It's a great way to make money online. If you like this video, guys, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed because I got a lot of more videos to show you how to use technology to build an online business. I'm Andy, watching Learn How. See you in the next video.